Hi everybody, it's Donna Marie Serritella. You know me as the Queen of Compliance. We're here today with Wacky Whiteboard Wednesday to talk about social media and online reputation management. We're talking about the risks to your MLM company with social media and online reputation management. It's going to be an exciting one. See you on the other side. Hello there, this is Donna Marie with Direct Selling Solutions. You know me as the Queen of Compliance, and we're here today to talk about social media and online reputation management and what it means for your direct selling company. Now, as you know, social media is relatively new for network marketing. It came out a while back and it swept over the industry. Everybody is using social media. The problem is, so are the regulators. Company owners must understand the value and the risks of using social media. The value is that you can reach the masses very easily with social media. The risk is the regulators are watching the same videos that you watch on social media. So social media is a compliance exposure because the distributors like to show off on social media. They like to brag about their income, their product claims, and even health claims on social media can get a company in serious hot water. Now, social media, as we mentioned, is monitored by regulators and competitors. Remember, those competitors want to know what you're doing, and all they need to do is go to your Facebook page and see what's happening. Also, you need to watch for modified information, edited company marketing materials, and internal use-only information that's shared on social media. Distributors will take your information and duplicate it on social media, and sometimes that can be problematic. You don't want certain things on social media. So you've got to monitor, and monitoring is something that we do at Direct Selling Solutions. We have a compliance strategy. We give you advice about onboarding and ongoing training in social media. I think it's important for you to teach the distributor exactly what they can and can't say on social media. Now, at Direct Selling Solutions, we do monitor social media. We document and enforce. We provide live and virtual trainings. I speak at events. We have a blast when we do our Queen of Compliance at the events. And we also provide MLM Compliance VT, which is a fantastic training available to distributors that will bring them up to the regulatory level that they need to be aware of. So thanks everybody for watching. Again, this is Donna Marie Serritella. I am the Queen of Compliance, and I'm here to tell you that I'm always watching, so be aware.